Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So on this video, I'm going to show you how to add dual account or add another account on Spotify. So let's begin. First of all, open your Spotify application. So here on the left top, click on your profile icon. So here you can see the option of add account. Click on it. So you can select Google or Facebook. I'm selecting Google. So click on any of your account and now you are done. So you have added two accounts on your Spotify. If you want to change your account, you can simply tap on the next account, and yes, this is it. And yes, it is this easy. So you can switch and go back and forth and use both of the account on Spotify. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this helps.